We just got a big tip about when the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 will be released. Not only does it matter when, but also where and what Samsung brings to the table to fight with Apple's foldable. Korea Economic TV reporter Kim Dean says that on July 22, 2026, Samsung will hold Galaxy Unpacked in London. They are also announcing 3 foldables instead of 2. Along with that, there's big news about the S Pen that could really help Samsung. The next Galaxy Unpacked show from Samsung will be on July 22 in London, UK. Now, the story says July 22 is the date of the release, not the launch, which means Unpacked will likely happen even sooner. There are 3 phones in question: the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and the Galaxy Z Fold Wide. Samsung is bringing back support for the S Pen without making the phone thicker. That changes everything. If Apple comes out with an iPhone, this could be what sets Samsung apart and help them stay competitive. Let's talk about what comes with the basic Z Fold 8. When opened up, it measures 158.4mm x 143.2mm x 4.5mm. When open, it's so very thin, 158.4 by 4 by 72.8 x 9mm when folded. It has a 6.5-inch screen on the outside and an 8-inch screen on the inside. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip inside, which comes from Galaxy. That's the version that Samsung made. You can get 12GB or 16GB of RAM. From 256GB to 512GB or 1TB, you can store things. The battery holds 5000 mAh, which is a good amount for a mobile. Charging can be done with a 45-watt wire or a 25-watt wireless charger. There is a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel 3x zoom sensor on the camera. That right there is a top-of-the-line camera setup. This summer, Samsung is putting everything they have into it. There are 3 foldable phones, the S Pen might come back, and a direct response to Apple's plan before Apple even starts. We won't know for sure until July 22, which is still a few months away.